Hi guys, so for our in our recent video we created HUDs and triggers, or the checkpoints and the start and finish. So now for our last part we're going to build our game. Now everything seems okay. So in our global volume, let's create a new and add override. Now select bloom and let's check the intensity to 3, or maybe I guess 3 would be fine. Now in the scatter, let's make it 0.6 or 65, and the tint, let's like an orange or perhaps yellowish, or maybe peachy yellow. Now let's check the threshold. I guess too bright. I guess 0.82 would be fine. Now let's add another override and let's add a depth field, turn on mode as Gaussian, and click start, check the end, check the max radius, and just make the max radius 1, check also the high quality sampling, and the end, let's make it 50. Now let's add another override and where is it? Wait guys, there we go. The color adjustments, and let's click there, let's click all. Oh, that's the exposure of the lights. I'm just gonna make it 0.15, and the contrast, let's make it 6, and the color filter, let's make it bluey. Oh no, I guess let's make it nope, that's too much. Around like this color, and RG01, I guess. And now if I go, guess it would be fine. I mean, if you guys want to add, you can just add it, or you just follow me. Now let's add a film of gray, film grain. Now let's check type and intensity, and the intensity, let's make it 0.2, or maybe 0.15. Let's turn it up the threshold, because 1 would be fine, or maybe per 0.95. And let's add another override and look for where is it? Guess vignette would be, or let's check the color, the center, and the intensity. So that's the intensity. Let me just bring it back here, and let's make the intensity to 0.1. The smoothness, let's make it 1. Now the rounded, I don't think we need that. So let's add another one and find. I don't think we need that. Yeah, I don't think we need it. So let's try running it. And there we go. So this is the final output of our game. There we go. And let me adjust the directional light. Let's set emission and intensity to 1.5 or maybe 1.2, and the shadow type, the soft shadows, and the soft shadows use settings from rendered pipeline. Let me just check here in the starfish. Let me just uncheck the mesh renderer. So it would be invisible. Now let's try running. The time starts. It works with or without the mesh, as long as the box collider is there and the scripts. So no worries. Let's head to build settings and the target platform and the interbit and the compression mode. Let's make it LZ4. Now you can rename your product name or the company name. Let's call it Fueled by Coffee. And the version of your game, let's call it 0.01. Now you can adjust the settings here if you want to, but everything seems standard, so I believe we don't need to change it more. So let's close that and click the build button here. So once you click build, the game will automatically download it in your files. You can just locate it, and once that, you can just open the Unity and the game will run by itself. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how you make a 3D racing game in Unity. I hope it works on your end, and if you encountered some errors, you can just look it up in the console in your Unity and solve the problem. Okay. So thank you guys. I hope you learned something and see you next time.